here I have something. Now I think I know what it is. I've had it under my desk for a few days because I was busy, but I did want to share this for you. This is from my publisher's delivery service. And a while ago back, my publisher said that one of my books was going into the next edition, which was really exciting for me as an artist, because as an illustrator, because that means that people like the book. People like my baby. You want to see which baby this is? Let's go. Oh, this is live. All live. All live. Oh, oh. I like this one here again. Let's see. Aha! You see what I see? Oh, this is exciting. Mannheim Wimmelt. Mannheim Wimmelt was my second book. There are so many things going on. This is a children's festival in Mannheim. This is the palace, which really, that palace presented a huge problem for me because it's so big and there are people in here, real people are in here. They signed up for it. Look, here are the mice. They're going to a wedding. Oh, there's my dad. I don't know if you can see him here. My dad is here with the alligator. And here's the harbor with containers, trains. And you know, you can always talk about what are in these containers, what could be in the containers. Mice here, sea monster. Of course, it's a river monster because it's not a sea, it's Neckar. And then there's the city market, and I don't know, you can't see it so well, but there's actually a banana hidden in one of these windows in a pot. And here is the stork. So this family is getting married. And here's the museum. And here is the park, which you have to pay to get into. But it is a very beautiful park to look at. And piggies, I love piggies. And here's the train station. I had to get permission to draw the German rail trains, because if you don't get permission, you could get problems. And then here, these areas were hard because they were very plain. So I had a group of travelers playing horseshoe while they wait. And this is the outside of the train station. And here's the Mannheim ice hockey's logo. Here's their favorite place. It really is very pretty here. So, that's the book. And which edition is it? It's the third edition. Here. Three. I think it's hard to see. It's the third edition. Wow. I never dreamt that I'd get a third edition book. That makes me feel so grateful to all of you who bought it.